I've heard that millions of Tesla vehicles equipped with hardware 3 will not be compatible with FSD version 14.1. An upgrade to enable compatibility would be possible, but would require over 6 hours of labor, along with the installation of new cameras, microphones, more processing power, and memory. The upgrade would likely incur significant costs for customers. Could the situation lead to challenges for Tesla if dissatisfied customers express their concerns or demand for refunds or transfers of FSD licenses to new vehicles and potential legal action similar to past disputes over hardware promises? Great question. By the way, wow. Since I started, Bitcoin just shot up $1,200. That's just big move. Anyway, that's the good juju here in the audience. Let's talk about what we've heard. We did hear Elon Musk say, if you have a hardware 3 vehicle and you purchased full FSD, I did that 6.5 years ago. I purchased full FSD out of the gate, no questions asked, and it's an AI 3 vehicle. So they will give me a free upgrade if and when I want it on my Model X. But let's look at exactly the statistics of what we're dealing with here. So there is some hope for hardware 3 owners. And I know hope is not a strategy, but the older vehicles still are on version 12.6. I have one of those. And the hardware 3 does have a more limited compute power, can't handle as many parameters, and upgrades have slowed to FSD. But the FSD on hardware 3 still works really, really well. And again, I can vouch for that. Hardware 4 is very advanced with a lot of parameter capability, memory capability, resolution of images, and all that good stuff. So it is a different kettle of fish. And remember, if you look at Moore's law and the pace of development of chips and inference and everything else, it was all going up. So the stuff they built 6.5 years ago, you can't expect it to be as powerful as today. Now, the hope is not a strategy. He did confirm that if hardware 3 cannot achieve unsupervised autonomy, those that paid for it will get free hardware retrofits, maybe AI 5. We're not sure. No data set. If you didn't buy the full FSD, you are SOL, but maybe they'll comp you or give you a deal on transferring or whatever. But if you have FSD, they'll give you the hardware upgrade. We'll see. But maybe you want a new car anyway. I don't know. No data set, but there's lots of things. And hardware 3 is aging. But Tesla has pledged for a way forward once full autonomy arrives. So don't give up entirely, but we shall see exactly what happens.